Good morning this Thursday, the 15th of December. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the US markets turned lower on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve raised the US cash rate by a further 50 basis points to the targeted range between 4.25% and 4.5%, the highest level in 15 years. The rate hike comes against signs of cooling inflation in the region, with CPI for November easing to the lowest level since December last year in data out yesterday. Stocks came under pressure as markets factored in expectations that interest rates in the world's largest economy would peak at 4.9% in spring. The Dow Jones fell 0.18%, the S&P 500 lost 0.22%, and the Nasdaq fell 0.16%. Over in Europe, markets slipped on Wednesday as well as investors globally responded to the new inflation readings out of the US and looked ahead to the Fed's cash rate decision. The stock 600 closed flat, Germany's DAX lost 0.26%, the French CAC dropped 0.21%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 fell 0.09%. Monetary policy updates from the EU, UK and Swiss central banks will also be announced today. On the commodities front, crude oil is up 3.05% at $77.69 a barrel. Uranium is down 0.72% at $48.35 a pound. Gold is flat at $1,810 an ounce, and iron ore is down 2.64% at $110.5 a tonne. The Australian dollar is buying 69 US cents, 92.83 Japanese yen, 55.45 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 6 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open almost 0.5% lower following the global sell-off overnight. Taking a look at economic data out today, Australia's unemployment rate is out at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, with some economists forecasting a drop to 3.3% for November from 3.4% in October. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Bowen coking coal following the formation of a pattern over a period of 36 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise, from the close of 29 cents to the range of 33 cents to 35 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bearish signal on Auto Sports Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 11 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall, from the close of $1.95 to the range of $1.78 to $1.82, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. We hope you have a wonderful trading day, and as always, happy investing.